where you go and spam the link, boom, bam, bim, and think that, spray it and pray it till it works. You probably have come across a great product review or a demonstration of a product, and then you felt that this is the product I would like to have. And then you're shown a link where you can go and click on the link to buy that product. So this is everywhere. In today's video, I'll talk about affiliate marketing, and not just at a surface level. I'll deep dive and show you what makes this affiliate marketing successful. If you are an affiliate marketer, or even if you're not, you want to understand how this entire thing works, you don't want to miss out this video, as I'll be sharing minutest detail with you. So first, let's talk about some statistics. I'll show this on the screen. You see here, 81% of the brand have adopted affiliate marketing. So this includes Amazon. You would have seen I had recently made a video on Amazon influencer program. Even Walmart has this affiliate program. So this is the affiliate conversion rate. You see, if 100 people come and click on the link, 1 to 3% will actually buy. So this is the standard. What is the range? If it is 100, 1 to 3%. If it is 1,000, 10 to 30%. If it is 10,000, 100 to 300% will come and click on the link and buy the product. And this is the last 30 days conversion rate, which I have on my affiliate page, 13.89%. So consistently, I have this more than 10 to 12% every month. So how to get to that success level? That is what we will deal in today's video. To improve the conversion rate, it comes down to 4 key things. First one is to have a narrow down niche. What I'm talking about when I say narrow down niche is, for example, you are into baking and you talk about vegan baking. Now within the baking, you are focusing on vegan baking. If it is gluten-free vegan baking, you're narrowing it down further to select audience. And these are the audience who will come engage with this gluten-free baking, and the conversion also improves because you have now narrowed down to only a segment of this audience or customer to whom you are giving that value. What is gluten-free baking? Next comes authenticity. People trust recommendations which are genuine. So if you use that product, if you really like that product, you talk about that product, audience will get to know how authentic you are. So if you're authentic, more likely for you to have that audience come and buy that product. So being authentic is important. Next comes the content variety. Here, how you're demonstrating the product, how you are giving detailed instructions, the medium what you're using, whether it is social media like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all these things matter on how you're reaching your right audience. The most important thing which has helped me is to build relationship with the audience. So if they have question, answer them. If they have challenges, get to the root cause and try to solve those issues for them. And that's where this relationship building happens. And when you build that, you're building that long-lasting relationship, not just 1 or 2 transactions. Because at the end, it's all about building relationship, not about selling the product. This has worked for me and this will work for you too if you are following these 4 key things. Let me show you some real world example with this Ulanzi. Let me go into their affiliate program. So this is the Ulanzi website. As you can see, they have the items. If you're a content creator, they have this tripod, the mobile holders, and many other accessories which are required for any content creator to get going. So this is their program, and this is how you join the program. I'll show that in detail, any program which you have to join, how that is done. So let me talk about what is here. You see this average sale, which means anytime anyone comes and does a purchase, they're spending at least $128.14. One person spending this amount. And what is the average commission? Every time they make a purchase, you get average commission of this amount. EPC is earning per click. So if 100 people are coming, I showed you that conversion rate 1 to 3% or 14% like in my case. So if 100 people are coming and the conversion rate you have, based on that conversion rate of 7.43 here, you will get this $109. If 100 people come and click on that, 7.43 will go and get converted. You will have a earning of $109.53. Then when anyone visits using your link, they have time to purchase for next 30 days. And then product data feed is how many product this company has. So I showed their website. They have 857 products. So you can keep recommending product what you use. You can give a detailed review. You can show how it is solving your problem. And that's what, the audience want. They want solution to their problem. When the last transaction was done today, that means someone is doing affiliate program and they are getting the commission too. Auto deposit, the money directly comes to your account once you set up auto deposit. And power rank, again it shows the popularity of the program. Then you come here and you see here program status, online for how many days, 45 days, last offline, when it was last offline, you can go and check the status history. So you see auto approval, no, you have to go through an approval process. Desktop percentage is 79.37%, which means audience who comes and watches this on desktop are more likely to purchase than someone who comes and sees on mobile. If you look at my content, I hardly make any short content. I make long form content. That's where people get to see what the product is and they go and buy the product if they want. You see here, they have mentioned that it's 12% commission rate for the affiliate. So anytime anyone comes and buys a product, whatever the product they buy, whatever the amount is of that, 12% comes to you as an affiliate commission. If the product aligns with you and your audience, then that is the product which your audience is going to buy. How it works and how to succeed. It's like recommending a restaurant. Okay, you have been to a restaurant, you tried their food, you like the ambience, and when any of your friend comes and he says he wants to take his family to a dinner, to any special place, which is the place you would most likely recommend? Because you have experienced it and you feel genuinely that this is the place where family can go, obviously you will recommend this restaurant. So affiliate marketing also works like this. If you haven't tried the product, if you don't know about the product and you just talk about the product, it won't work. It's important that you carefully select the program that aligns with what you like, what's your passion, and then be in front of that select audience, not to everyone where you go and spam the link, boom, bam, bim, and think that, spray it and pray it till it works. I'll share one more example. In my case, when I started this YouTube journey, I started from zero. And when I was going through this entire process, it was a learning curve for me. And at each stage, I started from zero, had no equipment, and then went on getting newer equipment, upgraded equipment. So I went through that process and I knew for someone who is starting the journey, they have different priorities at different times. And when I shared the journey with the audience, they could connect, they could relate, and they could feel that this is the growth path I am also in, and he has been through that journey. So why reinvent the wheel? And that really has been the success story when it comes to me. That's where I have had people come, click on the link, and this way they also know that they are helping the content creator for the value he's bringing to the table. It's not just one product. You see, there's a category here: accessories, art, music, option service, automobile. So whatever your area of interest is, you can go and pick any of this program. For example, even HP is here. If you have a HP product and you genuinely feel that product is doing good, you can go and refer that product. You can show the demonstration, you can write a blog, and any conversion which happens, you get 8% of the sale value. So I'll leave the affiliate links in the description. You can go and check the programs. It's free to go and join. And then there are things like, you need a medium to promote or talk about or show the demonstration, all of that, which you'll have to learn as you go. If you're buying a graphic card, you would go to a tech reviewer, not to someone who is showing cooking on his channel or her channel. And if you really want to look at authentic masala, you would go to someone who is on a cooking channel who is doing that. And that's where this trust and authenticity comes in, which I talk about quite regularly throughout this video. So your success in affiliate marketing comes through being strategic in what you do, being authentic, connecting with your audience, building relationship. And remember to keep exploring, keep researching, keep deep diving, and keep learning. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any question, please use the comment section. I surely will respond to that. And do check out the links which are there in the description. Thank you.